In this tutorial, I'll show you how to read Etsy shop stats traffic sources in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy traffic sources show exactly where your visitors are coming from, helping you understand how buyers find your shop. Now, if you want to read Etsy shop stats traffic sources, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, open your shop manager from the top menu. After that, click on the Stats section to access your analytics dashboard. Then, scroll down to the Traffic Sources section. Now, you'll see different categories like Etsy Search, Etsy App, Direct Traffic, and Social Media. After that, click on each traffic source to see a detailed breakdown of where your visitors are coming from. Then, analyze what each source means. Etsy Search shows traffic from search results, direct traffic usually means repeat or loyal customers, and social media shows visits from platforms like Instagram or Pinterest. Next, use this data to improve your strategy. If most traffic comes from Etsy Search, focus on improving your SEO with better titles and tags. If social traffic is low, consider promoting your listings on platforms like Instagram or Pinterest to bring in more visitors. Keep in mind that consistent tracking helps you understand trends and make better decisions for your shop growth. That's it. By reading your Etsy traffic sources, you can clearly see what's working and grow your shop more effectively.